Hi, everyone. So for skills assignment 10, we'll be looking at non-parametric statistics. For this assignment, we'll be using the data set called staff survey. And so when we're looking at non-parametric statistics, what we're looking at is the observed scores compared to the expected scores. So I've already pulled up the data set here, and I have already moved the variables up so that they're easier to access, and then double check to make sure that they're listed appropriately. So the first thing we're going to do for this assignment is use the chi-square test for independence to compare the proportion of permanent versus casual staff who indicate they would recommend the organization as a good place to work. So to do this, we're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, cross tabs, and then once we pull this up, you can put either of your variables on the row or the column. It doesn't matter because it's the same information. It just looks a little bit different whenever it gives you the output. So we'll go employment status and then recommend. And so you'll want to click on statistics, chi-square. Then you'll want to click on expected. So you'll be able to pull that up. So here you can see that it gives you both the observed count and the expected count. And then looking at the Pearson chi-square, you can see that the p-value is 0.713, which is greater than 0.05. So we would fail to reject the null and suggest that there's not a significant relationship between employment status and whether those individuals recommend this employer. So next we'll go to part 2. We'll use the Mann-Whitney U-test and the Wilcoxon rank sum test to compare the staff satisfaction scores for permanent and casual staff. So for this, we'll go to Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests. We'll select Legacy Dialogues, 2 independent samples. And what we'll want to do is take the total satisfaction scores, that's a test variable, and then the employee status as the grouping. We'll just define these really quick. And then we're going to hit OK. And what we can see here is that there is no exact significance listed, but for the p-value here that it is greater than 0.05. So this suggests that the results are not significant. We'll fail to reject the null again. So there is not a significant difference in employment satisfaction by employee status. Okay, and so that's all for skill assignment 10. Thank you.